Welcome back to our learning or teaching and learning session. So last week I have uploaded the video about factoring polynomials. So this is just only a continuation of the part 1. This will be part 2 of factoring polynomials. But last week we are just talking about monomials. So this is a continuation once again. So the polynomial, the greatest common factor, and the factored form. So factoring and GCF. Factoring and GCF. GCF stands for greatest common factor. Factoring is finding two or more factors of a number or a polynomial. The greatest common factor or GCF of two or more monomials is the common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with variables having the last degree. Thus, the term AXN is the GCF of a polynomial if, number one, A is the greatest integer, and number two, or A is the greatest integer that divide each of the coefficients of the polynomials, and number two, which is n, this one, is the smallest exponent of x in all terms of the polynomial. Okay, let's have an example. Find the greatest common factor of each pair of monomials. So we are just talking here monomials. Let's find the greatest common factor or the GCF of the given pair polynomials. First pair is what we have is 6a and 18ab. So based on the last session, so we have to determine first the common factors of both pair. Okay, you have to use table or the t-chart. Okay, let's have the factor of 6a. We have 1 times 6 times a. And also 2 times 3 times a. And now, 18ab. We have 2 times 9 times A times B. We have 3 times 6 times A times B. Now, notice, observe what factor does 6A and 18AB has in common. That they have in common. Yes, we have 6 and A. 6 and A. Therefore, the GCF of 6A and 18AB is 6A. So this is the greatest common of the pair of monomials 6A and 18B. Let's have another example. 10A and 12A squared B. Follow what we have done a while ago. We have to use the t-chart. We have 10a. We have 1 times 10 times a, or 2 times 5 times a. Then let's proceed to 12. We have 2 times 6 times a squared times b, or we have to factor this a squared, a times e, a times b. And then we have 4 times 3 times a times b. Or we can follow this form, 2 squared times 3 times a squared times b, or a times b. Now observe the given factors. What factor that they have in common? We have 2a. We have here 2a. Therefore, The common factors of 10a and 12a squared b is, what is the answer? Is 12, oh no, it's 2a. 2a. This is the answer. Now, answer the given activity. So, keep updated for the next video. Bye!